Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, and on top of Star Times channel 195. We're on top of internet to www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And this now the only democracy when they're on top of television. As it is hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11, don't talk Christmas sake of say all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We will carry them, drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way anything be for body so that those who lead us go do waiting. Hear what? Do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name now Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu as they concern the politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, I'm a beautiful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry that same Ogbonga program coming our way as it is hot, where they informate at least they give now different up-to-date informate about what they happen for Nigeria. Today we'll go different because at least no day we need to do the day for our political that we know the day for our country Nigeria, and for our responsibility just as we already talk now to the update now waiting now waiting they happen. And today we will talk about something very now something we say it don't day often and it's they disturb us as they talk now, and not just disturbing us, they also disturb the nation at large. The issue of Avengers and militancy. Now we'll go talk about. We'll go open our phone lines because really we want to make also get ourselves involved on today's matter so that if we call and contribute now only to idea, now own suggestion, now own comment to the whole issues. And my name never say change. My name is Nkubi and this now as it is hot.
Where this action happen now for Warri Southwest for inside Delta State, and he never even declared the enormity of the destruction, that is the level of the devastation when we say this Niger Delta Avengers they don't reek for on top of the Batan community when they for inside Warri for Delta State of inside Obodo Nigeria for the South region. Everybody don't come tired for the particular situation. We say people don't come already give up. Say wait till happen. The Avengers don't talk say they go cripple the economy of Nigeria, bring them down to its knees. They go reduce Nigeria economy to zero. When we say everybody for the country go know say yes. So waiting they don't they suffer for inside the south where our oil they come from. Waiting they sustain this country, and we go know as the thing they be for body. But some people don't come and talk say it go good. Maybe say then calm down because they don't already show the government say their hand they very strong. And government when you don't come and talk say okay, we they willing to begin the cleanup of Ogoni land. We they willing to restore the environment of the Niger Delta. We they willing to give una things when we say go make una happy, and make una calm down, make we sit down, make we discuss. But some people they talk say there's no sincerity or purpose on the part of the government that is to talk say now lip service now government they do. Government go talk like this for morning, for afternoon they will begin to sing another song. When they sing Whiskey in the morning, they go sing Davido in the afternoon. And the Avengers they talk say until then show the government say Pepper, if you enter eye, the thing if it cause blindness, at that time government go hear word. And the Nigerians they suffer this thing because if we talk say we they produce about 2.2 million barrels every day, the thing can't drop to under 1.5. It shows say we they lose well. And see our budget, it can't be like say we no fit fulfill them. Today on top of our city hall, we call this one Niger Parapor, that is to say People's Parliament, that is where Nigerians they sit down they discuss like family matter. We go give you the license based on say if you call us today, now you be president of Nigeria, you go call, talk the problem of this country as it concern in Niger Delta and waiting be the solution. Waiting we do to find lasting problem to this water. Every day when we come here to discuss in Niger Delta, the thing they prepare us for body. We go this break, come back. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is. Now you go complete them because now you have the day today. I'm waiting for you to complete it. Will they come back? Hot. Welcome back to Acid Hot. As we talk about before we go that break, we talk say today now Niger Parapor based on say now family meeting we they do here. And once you call us, connect to our telephone line, you don't assume the position of president. That is, you go begin to address the issue when they affect our brothers and sisters and everybody inside the Nigeria, inside the Niger Delta. Waiting with the solutions to the many problems when they face for there. How we go take we find lasting and permanent solution to this problem so that not be every day. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi will come here, come they sit down, they discuss the Niger Delta. Some people, the matter don't tire them. They don't even discuss them on all their program again. But based on say we talk, say we're going to discuss all the issues when they affect us inside of Nigeria. We'll continue to shout this matter they go.
Yes, Chukwudi, it is our responsibility just as we talk to do it to give our viewers up to date information about waiting they go for this particular region and how they also affect the country. Make you also bear in mind say of all things where they really baffle me, the one way they even make me fear past. The fact say these people talk say waiting, say they go cripple When I mean, say they go cripple the economy. And once don't they give this height, this level of threat, make it you say, hey, the source don't enter, that it don't enter one chance. That is the eye don't read with that. And they will also they urge our government, make them also do it. Make them know as they will talk at least address this particular issue, address them for long. If we get a particular region of people who say, now then they produce a particular way the government and the country they rely on. And the government says somehow, their own issues, their own problems, their own internal problems, the leaders know they address them. I mean, now waiting they stop this particular problem, they stop this particular things where they see. At least make government look say, okay, oh, these people with this threat they give, and consider the fact over time, let's say past government, no they too do it, no they too meet up with their demands and all that. Make we know as we go take do it, make we know as we go take find a lasting solution. If we say they will give them at least a reason to smile. You understand? We will give them a reason to smile rather than say, okay, see the plans we will get for now. In the end, the plan will not go see the result. See the plan we will get for now in the next 20 years. In the end, 20 years go come, you go pass, we no go say anything. I mean, this is the high time where we go need to say, okay, make we dey serious with ourselves. Make we even turn on again. If we need to turn on again on top of this matter, let us at least turn on again on top of this matter and ensure, say, at least anything will concern Niger Delta, anything will concern the nation at large, make them do it, make them find solution to them.
Very,
no pass like that.
And it will good make we point them out, say, if for several years, you dey try find solution to one particular problem and na one method na you dey use and it just be like say this method wey you dey use the thing no dey see there's no progress whatsoever. It go dey very important say make people come back, make them sit down, make them check am, make them see say okay see wetin we go fit do to use ensure say we no make that particular mistake. Like we talk say today we dey do Naija Parapor based on the problems when they affect our brothers and sisters and everybody inside of Odo Nigeria for inside the Niger Delta. We talk say once you call us, you don't automatically become president and a solution to the problem. We don't notice say every time, most times we go dey complain about these issues them rather than they find solution to them. So you automatically today on top of us in the hut, we declare you president once you call on top of the program. Tell us how we go to find lasting solution to this particular problem because I notice say for the past 1 year when I don't fire Nkubi, the past 14 months when I don't fire and based on say
nobody fire me,
excuse me, make a land.
Nobody fire me.
Even people
nobody
they
fire
even
me.
people when know the way your face day before election, they don't say the thing don't even come hard more. I don't fire you reach yourself when me say you don't even feel sit down straight again. See as you dey bend neck, you even need support. And they try to take am easy with you today. They say people call in, make them tell us how they go to find solution to this problem. And you are whining me again. You want me to start with you again? You want me to start with you again?
Anyway, I will go.
Which one be anyway? Which one be anyway?
We'll open our phone lines and we'll go to collect our calls and Chukwudi. You don't.
No, they call my name.
Hold it
and
there.
they take the thing easy.
Hold
and
it
they
there.
take am easy. Naija Parapor.
Hold it.
Make people come and they come
Hold
talk.
it there. Let me hold it here. And let us address this matter. If I talk, say. I don't want to talk.
What do you want to talk? How do you want to talk? Which one I don't do?
If I talk,
how do you want to talk? Which one I don't do?
Listen to me.
We shall. Which one I don't do? No, which one I don't do? And they talk, say, make we take this easy. Maybe we come and find solution to the problem.
If I talk to your mouth, they run now. Say, it needs to be short.
It needs to be short. It needs to be short.
Mind yourself.
You can short mouth. You cannot short Niger Delta Avengers. You want to be shorting mouth, you cannot short Niger Delta Avengers.
Our viewers will call, we will give them the privilege to call and also contribute.
Before, they don't go contribute.
Hold on.
People who say they don't become president automatically when they
come. We
come.
don't give them presidency responsibility. Make now also ensure, say, make now also know that we take address the matter, address the way you go take duty, where you go at least go around, where you go favor people.
Now today, you know, say that they advise us to go down to favor. Something we already talk already. I don't fire you for the past 1 year about the inability and incompetence. What would they see? Now we take am easy. Oga John dey call us from Lekki. Oga John, good morning and welcome to Aside Hall.
Who is the fire here?
President John. Will you allow a president of Aside Hall talk?
Future President John, talk to us, Jare.
Good morning. Good morning. Good
morning, Oga John.
Good morning, Oga John.
Yeah. I have my contribution today concerning this Niger Delta. I think in the part of government are not doing fine. Because how can you overlook the region that produces the wealth of the nation, then you don't develop the area? I think it is better for government to develop that area because if you look at Abuja, in 1990, Abuja was nowhere. But today, if you go to Abuja, you know, Abuja is a fine city. So when the people look at that, they say, this oil is coming from Niger Delta. They use this oil money and develop other areas. They need development. I think people will be saying that the NEDC and Niger Delta, something like that. I don't see that as a good thing because if government really wants to develop the area, they should not they should not give money to people from that area. They should go in there and develop the area so that all these problems will stop. You can see it now, the oil money, I mean, the country is not producing enough again, and the oil in the market is dropped. So we need a solution. The solution is that government should go in there and develop that area so that since the people will see better lives. I think that's my take. Thank you
very much, Oga John, for giving us your presidential
and the way forward. We get
exactly.
Oga Okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Okay, good morning and welcome to As the Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
We greet you, Oga Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
At the Throw Helen show.
Yeah, we greet you too.
All right. Make I contribute more, just more. Hello.
We hear you. Continue.
Okay. Me, you get us at the reason front, also reason back. This one at the kick against the Niger Delta people, Avengers. Yeah?
Okay.
Because he believes say that oil in our property. Then my question is, why can't they damage them? Why not protect their property? Why not tell government to stay away from your property that it belongs to you? Okay, when you blow up or damage all your properties now, at the end of the day, government can't come on hand for your property. Which one will remain for you? Yes. And on the other way around, government know they try. You don't reach the time where government will come up, talk tangible something, talk something that will touch these people, so that this thing will stop. Because this is really crippling Nigeria economy. It's really affecting. So I think government need to play their part. And also, these Niger Delta Avengers will also play their part because that property is their own property.
Very
Why
true.
are they damaging it?
Very true.
Thank you. And may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Oga Okay.
Oga Okay, you don't raise very important points. You don't talk, say, on the part of the Niger Delta Avengers or the people of the Niger Delta, make them protect rather than destroy. And the government must do what in there tangible. Not be only we shall. Oga Godfrey, they call us all the way from Nasarawa. Oga Godfrey, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, President Godfrey, if we go refer it that way.
Nkubi. Good morning.
Good morning.
I want you to tell your people, they are deceiving Nigeria for a long time. They are ruling this government as if they have 20 years to rule Nigeria. And I want to remind you, they have only 2 years to work, 2 years for campaign. This president is too slow for our liking. He's very, very slow. Very, very slow. And this issue of Niger Delta, I think the president is not serious about it. He's just using politics to confuse the guys.
So, Oga Godfrey,
the guys are very sharp.
Oga Godfrey.
Yeah.
Now, you talk, say, Oga Presido, they slow. And say maybe they use politics. Now, if you be the president, or if you get the opportunity to give him advice as president of As It Dey Hot, what will be the thing where you go tell him, make him begin to do from this moment?
The mistake that the president made from the beginning, he could have engaged the guys, not by coming as if he's their enemy. You understand? As in, he could have bring a new program that will touch the life of every person in that community. Not by coming as if by scrapping some of the existing program. How would they expect them to react? They will react very badly. So, Mr. Nkubi, please tell people. This we shall, and the rest should stop. Let's get down to the business.
Very true.
Thank you very much.
Oga Godfrey, thank you very much for your important contribution. You don't talk, say, make Oga Presido engage, make him not come like enemy. We get Oga Samali, they call us all the way from Ojodu. I know say Nkubi mine don't cut. Oga Samali, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Oga Samali.
I don't know what you are discussing because we don't have light here. It's a problem here.
Okay, Oga Samali, you dey hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing.
We dey discuss the issue of Niger Delta, and this morning, what we dey do? We dey talk, say, if you, Oga Samali, you be president, or you get the opportunity to advise Mr. President, what will be the thing when you go tell am make him do to find permanent solution to the problem of Niger Delta?
Yes, what I would advise him to do is that he should look into the problem of these people. They are not just protesting because they like protesting. You understand? Hello?
Yeah, we hear you. Continue.
Yeah. They are not just protesting because they like protesting. In as much as I am not in support of the destruction going on, because whether you like it or not, oil is the main skin of Nigeria economy. So anything touching it, I don't like it. I would have loved Mr. President. He should put aside this settlements. This bureaucratic tendencies of waiting for Mr. Advisor to advise me. This is a retired military man. He should go into action. Call these people to order. Discuss with them one-on-one. They will listen to him.
Okay.
Mr. Yaradua was able to do it. During the tenure of Yaradua and Jonathan, there was peace in that part of the country. So what is happening now? Why is he listening to these people who do not want, who are playing with the stomach of Nigeria? We should not be playing politics with the stomach of Nigeria. Chukwudi.
I hear you.
The situation on the ground right now is so bad. So bad. Everyone is angry. It's like the protester, the protesting woman whom I saw the street of Lagos, of Lagos yesterday, protesting on behalf of Mrs. Tinubu. But when a woman was murdered in the north, they did not come out to protest.
Oga Samali, very important point where you don't raise. But the one where you don't talk to Oga Presido, give him advice. We don't take that one, we appreciate them. We dey wait for Oga Michael. Oga Michael, they call us all the way from Ebute Meta.
Call these people to order. Call them to his office and something. They will listen to him.
Thank you very much, Oga Samali. And Oga Michael, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we hear you.
Nkubi and Chukwudi, I'm greeting you.
We greet you,
Oga Michael.
Thank you for this program.
Thank you.
I just want to say that the government of Nigeria is not doing well. Because if you look at Dubai today, why everybody is tripping to Dubai is because their government was able to use the economy of Dubai as a state to develop their country. And everybody is going to Dubai to look at Dubai and to watch things in Dubai and come back. And Nigerians, I believe all these are leaders that have gone there and they have seen all these things and they are not ready to do anything in the region of Niger Delta. So I don't blame the boys because the government, as they are saying, if people are saying that they should go and deliberate with this kind of government, a government that lawyers and judge will address a president and tell the president what to do, they will pass a law and the president should not do anything.
But Oga Michael, we understand the angle where they bring her from. They try and talk, say, okay, see the issues. But then, on this platform, on today's thing, will they find way out solution? Waiting with that solution where you go give in, where you go fit say, okay, now the best way will fit, where Oga Presido fit take do it, fit address this matter with this.
The one thing that the Mr. President needs to do, the Mr. President has to bring himself down. A leader should be a listening leader, not a pride leader. How can a president be and ruling a country that he cannot travel to other regions? He just based only he only travel to his own state and only to Abuja. So it's very, very wrong. The president cannot visit Lagos, he cannot visit other states. It's very, very wrong. So let the president cool himself down, bring himself down. If you want to lead this country, he will have to bring himself down so that they can be able to achieve his term of leadership. And the party as APC, they are not doing well. I believe they don't have a good advisor and they don't have plan to come to this country as it is right now.
Oga Michael, thank you very, very much for this contribution you don't give us. Make we get a leader where we say we get listening this thing. Yeah. We get Madam Josephine. Madam Josephine, they call us from Shomolu. Good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Good morning.
We greet you, Madam Josephine.
Me, I won't contribute as I know now pidgin program, so me can go for my own pidgin.
No Allah.
Okay. Me, I go advise my Presido as the own special advisor today.
Okay.
It is easy, one force to the Niger Delta, it is easy to destroy than to build.
Okay.
So I want beg them, maybe they stop their destruction. Another one again, now to the Presido. I want beg them. Not only this one, over the past, now there the problem starts from. When they give the Niger Delta, the militants, amnesty, what is they supposed to do after the amnesty, where everywhere don't come, now to start development.
Okay, nice because, one, yes.
The development in the sense that when you go at Sabana, there's no good road. Hospital no day. Schools no day. The social amenities where people need to make them feel say we belong to this region, they there. And now there would they get the whole revenue from. So what do you expect? After that amnesty, the government from the past to the present, during the amnesty, where everywhere they come, now they're there for study development. Provide social amenities for these people. employ them, give them work. When there is job opportunity, these people no go get mind to burn pipeline. So I want to advise our president that may they call the militants to order, may they negotiate on the way forward, then start to do good things. They build amenities for the people of Niger Delta.
Very,
And
very
God
true.
bless Nigeria.
Yes, thank you very much, Madam Josephine, because Madam Josephine, don't just come open up under this thing, bring her from under angle. It's okay, fine. In the last, in the government of Oga Yaradua, they give them this thing. But then, waiting, how they take you
how
that?
they consolidate on the achievements.
Exactly.
Very
We'll
true.
get Marvelous. Marvelous, they call us from K2. Good morning, Marvelous.
Hello, now good morning.
Good morning, Marvelous. They hear you.
Concerning this Niger Delta matter, may they say, may they dialogue. To me, I accept them. Before, one of the people they reject dialogue. So we go dialogue with them. But for now, I accept them. Because to me, if to say federal government, you need to get the power might to cause these people. I forgive them, go ahead, say they cause them. But as what you will know, when I go read about Niger Delta, they get over 3,020-something creeks. It shows say these people not to navigate. Even when my sister say travel go Delta, he get for one boy out, they go use their go underground, come back for river bank. So she was surprised that so all these kind of creeks do up and that. So it shows the federal government no fit do anything. Just a dialogue because how many want that they know plenty. People they even cause this mishap and everything. They know pass 50. So I think the federal government come out to the level, dialogue with them, provide social amenities for them. Because you know they normal, make individuals their own oil well. You know they for any country. I challenge anybody, may ask me, no, may tell me the country where they give all individuals oil well. May they do some things like may they restructure Nigeria, may they say the country that resources, may they do a lot of things, they go make these people feel say yes, we are being loved. Because according to one guy called for one other station, talk say hospital, the nearest hospital from their side, I think in Delta State, I can't remember the local government. Now, I need to enter 2,500 naira speedboats, go there.
We'll go the nearest hospital.
About 5 hours. And besides, they drill us for the back of the house. So I think make federal government do their job. That's what I say. Thank you very much.
Marvelous. Thank you very much for your important contribution. You don't already talk and say, make government allow them control their resources because if they get this opportunity, based on saying that them the thing they affect past, they go know how they will take do. And we get Oga Tony. Oga Tony, they call us from Warri. Oga Tony, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Oga Tony, good morning.
Oga Tony, you there? You be like say the network no gree Oga Tony. And Oga Tony, they call us from Warri, where this particular last happened based on the activities of Niger Delta Avengers. From what everybody don't talk, it is very, very obvious. Say Nigeria gets people when we say ideas plenty for their mind. People don't already tell the government waiting very, very, very simply. If the government put them into action, he go see say we solve the problem of Nigeria. But he gets one particular one we don't stand out. People don't already talk say make government stop this force, power. I will deal with you. Make government engage these people. Whether we like them or not, according to waiting some people when don't do research, don't do. It don't dey very, very clear. Say waiting the Avengers don't destroy in the months when we say they don't carry out the activities. Don't pass waiting we don't even experience for the Niger Delta since when they begin oil exploration for 1959. If in just under 1 year, these people don't destroy things when we say since we don't dey explore since 1959, we never feel destroy. It shows say maybe they know the badness when they do to use worsen the situation. But then again, if you can't destroy something when we say you say it belong to you, if you destroy something when we say you know say based on the way in our country don't dey now be the only source where we dey get money where we use move the country forward, where we go start from. Whether we like them or not, these people don't already show say they get power to fit do badness. Now the time to come down, sit down and discuss with our people them. We hope say our brothers them and our sisters them when we say somehow the thing they pepper them for body say they won't bring the economy to its knees. They don't hear waiting. All our ogbonge advisors then get to talk and then go take this warning when we say people don't already give.
Exactly. And if you also look at collectively, everybody we don't call so far, we don't also contribute. They now just one thing they emphasize on. Make government do it, make them find solution to this particular matter. Make government engage them for serious talk at least. Because if everybody get this kind of better mind to say, okay, make a particular thing good, so that at least you go feel go around, then who go be the person who will say in own mind go different from that of Nigerians? Because Nigerians don't speak. And who are we or who are others who will come say, no, we don't want it that way. Make we do this other way around. We go say if we want scatter, make we scatter. No, they work like that. Because since we don't get that collective mindset to say, okay, let us move forward, let us ensure that these people, at least things work out there. Now what is supposed to be that? And then we also urge our brothers from Niger Delta say, hey, the destruction, hey, something where they destroy, it they take years to build, though. It go good just as Madam Josephine talk. It dey sweet to destroy. But to build and call, it dey very, very hard. We get a caller right now. Good morning.
Oga Uchenna, they call us all the way from Alaba.
Yeah.
Oga Uchenna, good morning.
Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Uchenna.
Good morning.
Yes, we dey hear you.
I call from Alaba.
Okay.
I want to contribute for this Niger Delta matter.
Right on.
Money.
Yes.
Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Continue, go Uchenna, we dey hear.
See this matter, the matter is very much. It's very much. Okay.
Oga Uchenna, abeg, bring down the volume of your television, abeg, if it's still there on.
Okay, the volume.
Continue
see,
here.
This thing is too much for country now. Because every time, government can never do... Hello?
Continue, we hear you.
So the government now don't have any plan for Niger Delta. Because this thing now is getting too much. This man, they call Mr. President, he's not know what he's doing in this country. Many people are suffering. I don't know what this man want to do for Nigeria.
Oga Uchenna.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't already talk the problem, say he no get plan. And who could be don't already agree, say the way things they go. If like say plan no dey. But Oga Uchenna, if you be the president of Nigeria, what will be the thing what we go do to you solve this problem?
Don't do you.
He's trying to help you now. What are you saying? Do you have a plan? Do you have a plan?
Give us a solution.
You don't get plan.
Oguchena, give us a solution. What will be your own solution?
Allow him talk.
Allow
him talk. In the verse. Continue, Oga Uchenna.
Oguchena, will they hear you if you see the online?
We go break now and show me don't pursue him.
I take pursue him.
I tell no pursue him.
I go accuse me say I go accuse I no get plan.
Somebody went to say I no get plan. You begin a ginger.
You don't consult me for plan.
You consult which plan?
You don't consult me for plan.
The people get plan. To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.